There's a question on doing multidimensional arrays in the library. So we're going to make a new multidimensional array called test. Be double integer. We're just going to change dimensions of 0 to 3 and dimension 1 to 3. And we'll click OK on that. And we'll expand that array. Click in the plus, and we have, let's see, 9 values. 3 times 3. And so it does support multidimensional arrays, but it doesn't, the library. So I'll show you how to read and write to them. So we're going to add a new controller using the library. See if I can type properly. Oh, I can't spell require. There we go. We'll add that in there. Now we'll create a new, we'll call it PLC, new controller. Now we'll connect to that PLC. Excuse me, 192. Should be a string 192.168. 121.10 is the address of my PLC. Then after we connect, create a async function so I can use the await command. And first we're going to add a tag. We're going to add that tag, that test tag. It's a new tag. Test. Then we're going to use, right on the controller tags, we put null in for program when we want to add some more stuff here. We can write true for subscribe, and array dimensions. Even though there's a spot for array dimensions, it really doesn't matter what you put here, but we'll just put 2. And then for the size, it's 3 by 3, so we'll put 9 for the total amount of values. I think in the future I was going to add support to actually use multi-dimensional arrays, but we have to set equal to a variable. So now we're going to read that tag. We should get all the values. Read tag, not read. PLC dot read tag. The name of the tag, the test or tag. Name of the variable. We'll do await, and then we'll do a console log the tag value. So go over and that should be good. Go over and run this program here. And oh, we got an error. Oh, test is supposed to be a string, not a test. Whoops. So change that to a string. Oh, helps if I save the file before I try to run it again. There we go. So now you can see that it's even though we have a 2-dimensional array, it just reads it as a 1-dimensional array of 9 values. So now if we go back to our program, we'll just edit these values here to show that it really does read these 9 values. 1, put 1s in for the first row, 2's in for the second row, these in for here. We'll leave the last one 0 so we know we have something different so we could read them all. But maybe we'll put 3. Oh, I didn't hit enter, so it didn't save that last 3. So you can see when I hit it, those there's a 0 on the end, but those are the 9 values of a 2x2 multidimensional array. And then you could set the values of each item and then do a write tag of that tag, and it'll write all those values. And that's pretty much there is for multidimensional arrays using that library.